Yes, sir. You had a lighter flick. You know what time it is. You understand me? Bullymore smoke with the check in. Yeah, I mean, a little dinner for the pups. You understand me? But that ain't theirs, you feel me? That's your boys. You feel me? But I got some carrots chopped up for my mans and them. You understand me? We got chicken livers. You dig what I'm saying? And then we got a pack. We actually got a pack. Check this out, y'all. We had got a couple packs of this. The chicken gizzards and the hearts. You understand me? So you already know what your boy did. You know what I mean? Thawed them things out. Made a little mixture. Made us a little mixture, y'all. That look a little gross, but that is liver, hearts, gizzards. You understand me? Them boys is fitting to get down on the get down. You understand me? Got the oats already set up. Got the water clean. That fresh water. You understand me? Shout out to SXK. That boy Fatty G. You know what I mean? Got the fresh water with the what? That apple cider. You understand me? Every time. Every time. You know what I mean? Not every time, but, every day. At least once a day. You understand me? We're going to do that. So, bam. Let's get some kibble up in there for the boys. Oh, excuse me. Shit. Over the kibble. Just to line the bottom of it. You feel me? Really lovers? Boom. 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 Now, we're going to take some carrots. Carrots. Boom. Got my sauerkraut going off, you feel me? Your boy wanted some pigtails today, y'all. You know what I mean? Got me some sauerkraut and some pigtails over that thing. Carrots for my boys. Get down. No, down. Down, fat man. Bam. Organ meat. You understand me? Get that good organ meat. That organ mixture. You feel me? Oh, I'm gonna mix that up a little bit. You understand me? I left some hearts whole, y'all. You feel me? I chopped some hearts and I left some whole. So they're gonna get a good, a nice mixture. Got some big chunks, some little chunks. Just a nice, I like to give them a little nice mixture to bite down on. You understand me? Y'all dig what I'm saying, bully lovers. Alright, so bam. I'm gonna put more carrots. You know what I mean? I'm doing this like this so I can keep y'all, so we can have a steady view of it. I ain't gotta put it down like I be doing. Well, I still, I put it down, you know what I mean? Yeah. Better ask around, you understand me? Don't call me big for nothing, all of a sudden. Anyway. Moving right along. You understand me? carrots. Down. Down, my man. We got the carrots up in there for them balls. You understand me? A little bit more for the funny farm. Now, we go from carrots. Boom, boom, boom. You know what? Give my apple, y'all. We gonna rock on my apple right quick, y'all. Gonna rock on my apple right quick. 1 second, y'all. Your boy 1 second. Set that right there, you understand me? I gotta put y'all down for a second. I just need to wash this off right quick. Put this bleach and soap powder. Dish detergent on this thing real quick. You understand me? My fault. I should have had the apple already ready for them boys. You feel me? Blade clean. Ball. Right with you, bully lovers. Hold it 1 second. Oh, I'm geeking. And we bizzack with the chopped motherfucking apple, y'all. You understand me? Chopped apple for them balls. The same thing we just did, y'all. Hand to hand. Hand to hand combat. You understand me? Boom. Apples, carrots, livers, hearts, gizzards, kibble, oatmeal. You understand me? They eating good in the neighborhood. You understand me? I try to give them something different. You know what I mean? At least every few days. You know what I mean? Every other day. If not, you know what I mean? Like once a week, they get something that they didn't have, or a combination of things they might have had just not together. You understand me? That way it's not just always just chicken. It's not always just beef. You feel me? They get fruits. They get veggies. I'm about to start giving them mushrooms and whatnot. You feel me? Peppers. Different little stuff. We're going to grind the bones up when we can. You know what I mean? Get us a little spot that grind the bones up for you. Start doing it like that. I'm going to probably, I'm going to stop giving them, you know what I mean, the turkey bones unless they raw or something. I'm going to stop giving them the cook, what you call it. And somebody reminded me the dangers of giving, you know what I mean, the cooked bird bones to your peoples. You know what I mean? You know, can fuck them up. You know, it could be a little dangerous. So shout out to the 2 people that reminded me. One person, I apologize to Coco because she was right. You know what I mean? My bad, Coco. She said, oh, I thought that wasn't right. I said, no, you good as long as blah, blah, blah. But the whole time I was wrong. Because then more people came at me like, hey, man, you know, whatever, whatever. And then my man Dennis, big homie Dennis over at High Anxiety Bulls. Shout out to you, homie. Y'all go holler at him. He got a nice little baby. You know what I mean? Nice little baby, as he like to call it, miniature bully.
Miniature American Bully. He really don't want to, you know what I mean? But y'all go to y'all channel. I mean, y'all go to his channel. You know what I mean? High Anxiety Bulls. High Anxiety Kennels, you know what I mean? You go holler at, you know what I mean? At Big Dennis over there, man. Go holler at my guy over there. Tell him Uncle Smoke sent you. You understand me? But there we go, man. There we go. You know what I mean? One time, you know what I mean? For the money. And, you know what I mean? We tie, of course, a little bit more kibble on the top of that thing. Boom. And y'all know what else going on. I'm gonna get that. That's my bad. My bad, fella. He like, damn, daddy, throwing my shit. Y'all already know what's going on top of that thing. Little dab will do, you feel me? The dab will do you. Boom. Back up there. You know what I mean? Let that fish oil permeate through this motherfucking, you know what I mean? Yeah. And I'm just coming up with these recipes. You know what I mean? All the muscle, you feel me? This ain't nothing I see other people do, none of that, even though other people probably do it, but I'm doing my own thing over here, you feel me? I just want to make sure they eating good and healthy. You know what I mean? I can't afford that origin stuff and all that. You understand me? That stuff that'll really get them right. You know what I mean? Your boy ain't on that level just yet. You know what I mean? But I'd like to make my dogs food with I noticed that I like that about myself. Y'all let me know. Do y'all enjoy cooking for y'all dogs, man? For even y'all cats, whatever. Your fucking birds, your pet possum, I don't give a shit. Do you enjoy cooking for your furry friends, man? For your furry cheer? Do you enjoy preparing the meal? Because I do, man. I just noticed that. Look at my hands all greasy. For them, man. You feel me? I like doing it, man. You know what I mean? Fuck, you want to fight about it? Let's go. But nah, man. I appreciate y'all, man, for stopping through. You know what I mean? Thank y'all for coming out. Peace. Blessings. You know what I mean? And bully love. You understand me? And remember, folks, that's Bullymore bullies. More bullies. We gone.